Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Body Cam Watch, and the title of the video is "The Strangest Show of Disobedience Screws Up 18-Year-Old's Day." So let's get into the video, man. You know, these young kids.
On April 9, 2024, officers conducted a traffic stop on a vehicle for excessive speed.
Hello, I'm Deputy Becky with the Marion County Sheriff's Office. The reason I'm stopping you is because I got you at 68. You got your driver's license, registration, proof of insurance? You don't have a driver's license? Why are you driving and you got no license? You don't know? Anybody got a driver's license? No one's got a driver's license? No? Okay. Do you have any ID? No ID? Okay. What's your first name?
Sorry.
Spell that for me.
S-A-R-A. Y'all just take me.
Why are you saying that?
Because I already know what's going to happen.
What's that? What's your first name? You don't know what your first name is? You don't know? Okay. How about? This stuff. Call 55. Routine.
Yeah, the streets already done took her. She gone. She a lost cause, boy. You could tell. Streets done got her young, boy.
Sit down, though.
I'm gonna stand back here. You don't know your name?
If I give you my name, I sit down.
Bro, you're already going. Might as well just tell them.
They're going to tell me exactly. They're going to figure it out. I can't. What if I'm going to get in a motorcycle?
You might have fun. And maybe if you would have given me your name, just didn't.
I already know what's going to happen. I gave him my name.
We're at enforcement 8 seconds ago. Bring her to the next.
I was telling my mom, my grandma.
All right now.
All right, what's your name, sir? You got an ID or anything? Perfect.
Why don't you want to give us your name?
Because I already know I just want to go for all this shit.
So what does that mean? Do you have a warrant?
No, but I got.
Why are you worried about? So you're going to refuse to give us your name. If you don't have a warrant, you're going to refuse to give us your name to get in more trouble, to be put in handcuffs, just because you went to court for a bunch of shit, is what you're telling me?
Oh my God. Can you let go?
No, I'm not going to let you go.
Okay.
Stop. You're going to stand exactly how I got you.
But I ain't gonna. Come on now.
Whose car is this? It's your car? It's her people's car? Okay.
Turn back around for me.
What I'm going to do first is I'm going to have you guys step out, but I'm going to come around to that side and all that stuff. Just do me a favor and put your hands on the headrest and your hands on the dashboard, please. Go ahead, that before me first. You got anything on you? No, sir. No? Okay. Just face the card. Give me the other hand. Leave your vape on the top of the hood of the car. There's a tray right next to you that usually people are breaking up weed with. That's why. Okay. Right now you're the thing, right? We're all motorcyclists, so I can't just throw you in the back of the car. Okay.
And right here, just face the car coming, okay?
What'd you just move? Just you jacking your vape? Okay. Do you have anything with you right here? Alright. Alright. So I want you to leave your vape here and your phone right here.
Yeah, might as well just cycle it in.
There ain't nothing that's tasty.
Oh, that's not really mine.
So you're lucky one out. All right. So I trust you not to take off on me. If you are, then we're gonna have an issue because I'm gonna have to put zip ties on you because I don't have an extra pair of handcuffs. All right. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go stay next to her. Okay. Go stay next to him.
Why did they handcuff you? What are y'all doing?
You're like,
I need to call my mama though. My baby's in school.
Face the car, please.
Still, they gonna handle everything. Relax.
My mama.
All right.
I'm good. You think I?
Stay right here.
Yeah, she hard-headed. Can't follow simple instructions.
Oh my man! Damn!
Moving around again.
You're making them nervous. Just stand still.
Hey, everything is. What is he looking for? The weed? It's in the diaper bag. Yeah.
Too bad I didn't have a license. I could drive this way. Good. The test is hard.
She's requesting for the male have to be Baycrafted. She did advise that he would possibly run or be violent with Leo.
Stand back over here by the car.
You're making them nervous. You're making me nervous. Relax.
6 years old. Just follow over to you.
Tackler.
Open job, Frank. Comment. The weeds in the diaper bag.
When a grandma passed by. Grandma.
Well, I ain't recognized.
Me.
He recognized you though. You know, everybody's gonna talk about you going to jail now.
Oh, this must be the cool thing to do. Everybody gonna talk about you going to jail with a smile on his face.
Go back here with him.
Thank you.
Go back here with him. You stay with her?
Huh?
No, I was talking to him. You're running from my car.
You get that team. Yes, you're arrest. Should have just told me your name. I told her, bro. Yeah. Sometimes it wouldn't have been things. Sometimes it wouldn't even get taken as far as yes, cooperate. Right.
Whose car is this? You don't know? All right, I'm gonna read you this real quick, okay? Jim Miranda writes, "You have the right to remain silent. Anything you can. Why didn't you just tell me your name?"
Cause I feel like y'all was gonna take me away.
Why was that?
Cause if y'all, I don't know.
I'm gonna be dead honest with you right now, and I mean I'm completely transparent with you. If you had told me who you were and told me that you were honest with me about the weed, 90% of the time you're gonna get a break. All right, whether it's a court date and you get to go on your way, but now you're sitting in the back of a car because you wanted to be the way that you were. You know what I'm saying? It's missing me.
I don't know, because a lot of times they use that to search your vehicle. Like, you know what I'm saying? So it's like, it's a catch-22. Like, he may say that, but not every officer thinks like that. You know, a lot of officers use that as a gateway to search your vehicle. Like, oh, I smell weed. I smell marijuana. Like, oh, you got some? Oh, and they be, oh, yeah, oh, we, like they hit the lotto. You know what I'm saying? Like they just hit, you know what I'm saying, the Mexican cartel. Like, yo, we got You know, so I don't know.
Mere amount of weed, and if you don't got a license, then that's a misdemeanor too.
I had not too long ago. I had a warrant for citrus in here.
So you think you have a warrant?
I got put on. No, I got turned myself in. Over there, I got put on probation.
Are you on probation right now?
No, but it's gonna start tomorrow.
Oh, it starts tomorrow? Okay. I see where you're coming from then. So, just give me a minute. I'm gonna go talk to her real quick. Who's she to you? Just a friend?
That's my baby daddy.
Okay.
That's his girl.
Okay. Alright.
Good.
Alright, just give me a second, okay? Alright, I'm gonna read you something quick, okay? Now I'm under arrest right this second. You have the right face on. Did she just pick you up?
Yeah, we literally just drove to the gas station, and we literally went and got gas, and we're going to go pick up the babies from school.
Okay.
And they're going to stay with us because he has work.
Okay. All right. I'm just going to confirm some of your guys' information. Is that your boyfriend? You and your boyfriend are going to be cut loose, but we got to tow the car.
Okay.
So-
Can we get the diaper bag and my vape and my phone and stuff?
In a minute. I got to get some stuff out of the car first.
Okay.
All right? So let me go get him out of handcuffs. I think you guys are just going to chill out for a minute, but I need to confirm some information first, okay? But I still don't know who she is.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
What is your name?
Sorry.
How you spell it?
S-A-R-A-I.
S-A-R-A-I. Oh, hold on. McClure, can you get that $20 for me? Can you grab that 20 bucks? Right by the sign. He's got it. Where I can get it. Rescuing your money from the road.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.